Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com, and today my mom and I are going to show you how to make Tidbeha, which is a Lebanese-style rice with some minced meat. Very easy to make. We're going to start off with basmati rice in a large bowl covered in hot water. We're going to let that soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. We're also going to dice up some onion and set it to the side, ideally red onion, but if all you have is white onion, that is fine. So in a large stock pot, you're going to put some heaping tablespoons of Crisco, or you can sub in some canola oil. And then you're going to pour in the onion. This is over a medium to medium high heat. And our goal isn't to really brown the onion, it's to just get it sweating, get it to the translucent stage before we move on with the beef. And not before long we add in the beef. So this beef is called khishne. So khishne is just really kind of thickly grinded up beef. That's all it means. So you want to just kind of break up the beef really well into bite-sized pieces. You're going to give it a stir, combine everything, make sure it's all happy in the pot. And once the beef is really nicely browned, you can go ahead and add in some seasoning. Remember, this is all not seasoned at this point. So we're going to add in some freshly grinded up black pepper. Make sure to season it really well. And what you want to do after the rice soaks up. So after you add the seasoning, you can go ahead and give it a stir. But what you want to do with the rice is after it soaks up for that 20 to 30 minutes, you want to pour it through a sieve and really rinse it really well. And then you can put it in a bowl to the side to dry off. Once it's dry, you can go ahead and pour the rice into the meat mixture and combine everything, give it a quick stir. And all we're trying to do is cook the rice for about a minute or two. We don't really want to cook it. We just want to kind of toast it. Right, combine everything. And once everything's combined, you can go ahead and add in the chicken stock. Definitely recommend adding in my mom's chicken stock. Making that recipe is on the blog. However, you can sub in any chicken stock. It just won't be as good. Alright, so add in some white distilled vinegar and then some Vegeta all-purpose seasoning. This is going to really bump up the flavor. It's also going to add the salt in our dish. Give that a good stir. And then you can go ahead and add in some 7 spice, which is also going to really bump up the flavor. And once all the seasoning is in, you can go ahead and cover this with a lid. Place it on high heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to really just cook it until the stock kind of dissipates. Once that happens, you can uncover it. Layer about 4 to 5 thick pieces of paper towels. Place it on top of the pot and then cover it again with the lid. Turn it down to low immediately and you're going to cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, you want to just fluff up the rice with a large fork or even a wooden spoon, and this is what you're gonna have. Very flavorful, beautiful rice. It's wonderful dish, especially with chicken soup. Give this a try. For the full recipe, go to facefood.com, like this video, comment below for any comments or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way. I wish you all a happy new year. Hope you all have a wonderful time with your family. And until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.
And I can take it there, cause you know I need it. It really ain't fair, cause you know I mean it. You got all of me at just one time. Stay here with me, we'll be fine.